So hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. Today's video guys, I will show you how to make the bowl using by these coconut leaves. So I'm going to show you, this is what I do here. Just prepare the 4 leaves of coconut. So wave the 4 leaves until you get the cubes shape. So wait, just watch me until the end of my video so that you can easy to follow. So I just going to take the end of the leaf and wait a minute. So right now just the pattern is just the same thing repeatedly like that. So and after all, wait a minute, I need to make this little bit shorter. Okay, I will just make a little bit shorter. And right now okay, so take the end of the leaf and insert under the wave. Repeat the same process to all the leaves. What I mean is just do the same thing. Just insert under the wave. Repeat the same process to all the leaves until the leaves shorter. Yeah, so after that you need to make the leaves, all the leaves become shorter. So just insert under the wave. Repeat the same process to all the leaves until the leaves shorter, and then you can tell already. Just watch me until the end please, so that you can easily follow what I'm talking about. So right now I'm going to insert under the wave repeatedly. Yeah, just like this, and like this, and then again insert, just insert every leaves that I have. I need to insert them so I have the balance of the leaves. And after this, if I will going to insert all of them, so they are going to become very very short. So cut the balance of the leaves and then it's done. And after that you can use that for playing, or sometimes I made this kind of ball and then I'm going to give to the children so they can play. Or sometimes I make this for the dog, so the dog they are going to play also using by this kind of ball. Is easy for them to pick up because it's very very light only, it's light material only. So right now I'm still inserting the leaves under the wave. Just repeat and repeat the same process to all the leaves until the leaves shorter. Yes, so and cut the balance of the leaves and then it's done. So I still have two more to insert. It's just very easy. So just repeat and repeat only the same process to all the leaves until the leaves is shortened. So right now my sister, she's walking behind me. So in the same process also, just insert the wave. Repeat the same process to all the leaves until the leaves shorter, and cut the balance of the leaves, and it's done. So anyway guys, I would like to thank also all the people somewhere out there that they are always watching my premiere. I'm going to make a lot of videos here while I'm in the Philippines. So in this time, I show you mostly of my videos here is the traditional things from my native land in the Philippines here. So I'm going to use my I'm going to use these leaves to make this bowl, and thereafter after this one I'm going to show you also. So this one also is almost done, and after this I will going to show you also how to make the we call this puso, but anyway that is that will be my next video to make. So once again, thank you for watching. This is Abe's vlog. So this is my bowl right now. Yeah, so you can play that one, or you can give that to the dog and they are going to play with this one. Sometimes I just leave this one piece so they can hold like that. Yeah, so you can cut also if you like, or else you can just leave one piece of that, of the leaves. Yeah, so you can cut like that, so it will be clean and easy to use also, or to play. So